Okay students, now let's do the second question. Now as I told you that when we do the division, we will categorize into two parts or three parts. First we divide monomial by monomial. So you can see that in numerator, first question, numerator is monomial as well as denominator is also monomial. Now in question number 2 you will see that the numerator is binomial and denominator is monomial. Yes, you can see that two terms, so binomial, one term monomial. Yes, now else you can see that there is number 8 in both the terms. It means the LCM is 8. So when LCM is 8, we can write separately 8x upon 8 plus 8y upon 8. And now we cancel 8 and you will get one time. So answer will be x plus y. We divided by 8's table, so we get x plus y as answer of it. Now let me do the C part of it. 100x minus 60y upon minus 4. Now you can see again it is a monomial, but it is with negative sign. So we write it in this way, 100x upon minus 4 minus 60y upon minus 4. Yes, let's do the cancellation. 100 and 4 will become 25 in 4's table. 100 comes 25 times and in 4's table 60 comes 15 times. Now minus plus minus is minus. So minus 25x minus minus become plus 15y is the answer of it. Now you have seen that when we talk about denominator, it is monomial, but there is no variable in this case. So let's take one more example which has variable also. Let's do the G part of it. Yes, G part. 36 Q5 plus 48 Q9 divided by minus 12 Q3. Now students, it is written in this form minus Q3. So what it means that it will be divided with both the terms. So we write it in fractional form, 36 Q5 upon minus 2 12 Q3 plus 48 Q9 upon minus 12 Q3. Now 12 4s are 48, 12 3s are 36. Now we subtract the powers. 3 q raised to the power 5 minus 3, second law of exponent, plus minus is minus 4 q raised to the power 9 minus 3. So we simplify it here only, 3q square minus 4q6. Clear all of you? Now I will do the, which part I will do? I will do the H part. Minus 14a 12c plus 8a square c upon 2a square c. Now you will see that we have monomial with coefficient as well as variable. So first step is we write separately minus 14a raised to the power 12c upon 2a square c plus 8a square c upon 2a square c. So first we cut the coefficient. In 2's table 14 comes 7 times. In 2's table 8 comes 4 times. So minus 7, 12 minus 2. C1, now there is no power means 1. So C1 minus 1 plus 4A 2 minus 2 and C1 minus 1. Now when we simplify, minus A raised to the power 10 C0 plus 4 A0 C0. Now you know that when you have a power as 0, it will be equal to 1. So minus 7A10 plus 4 is the answer of it. Now you can see in this way. Clear all of you? Now rest of the questions you will do it in 7 minutes, and after 7 minutes I will show you the answer. Thank you.